Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some of the best sulfate-free shampoos in India. Sulfate-free shampoos are usually advised for people who have colored hair. If you recently colored your hair, your stylist must have advised you to use a sulfate-free shampoo because sulfates really strip off your hair of its natural oils, and it also takes away all of the color, so your color won't last long if you have colored hair and if you use a sulfate infused shampoo. That's why you are always advised to use a sulfate-free shampoo whenever you color your hair, or whenever you go for any kind of hair treatments like a hair botox or keratin treatment or permanent straightening. You will be advised to use a sulfate-free shampoo. And even otherwise, if your hair is not chemically treated or not colored, you should still be using a sulfate-free shampoo, because sulfates, that is SLS, are responsible for too much foaming in shampoos. So that's the reason why you should be using sulfate-free shampoos, so that they are gentle for the hair, they clean the hair without causing any damage. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 sulfate-free shampoos that are all tried and tested by me, and they work really well for my hair. All of these shampoos are really gentle, they clean the hair really well without drying it out and without stripping off its natural oils. So if you want to know which are these shampoos, then please keep on watching. Alright, before I share them with you all, I just want to mention that they are all available on Amazon at a really good discount. All of these shampoos are priced under rupees 1000, which is a really good price point for a sulfate-free shampoo. And on top of that, Amazon is offering some really good discounts on all of these shampoos. So in case if you want to purchase any of them, I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check that out. Alright, so the first shampoo that I have is this LOreal Professional Absolute Repair Molecular Shampoo. So as you can see, I've already finished up quite a bit of this shampoo. This is a shampoo that I'm using currently, and oh my god, this is so good if you have damaged hair. This literally helps to repair the hair damage and just makes your hair so much more manageable, and it makes your hair look so much more healthy. So that's the reason why I really like this shampoo. It foams up just the right amount, neither too much nor too little. It foams up just the right amount, and it cleans the hair really well without causing any damage, but while repairing all of the already existing damage on your hair. So this is a really good shampoo if you have damaged hair. You can pair it up with the hair mask that comes in this range. It's a really good hair mask to repair all of that damage on your hair. This is infused with peptides and 5 amino acids, and this is the kind of shampoo that I would recommend if you have very thin hair, or if you have a lot of split ends, or if your ends are like very damaged, then this is a shampoo that you should go for. Alright, the second shampoo that I have is this Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Shampoo. This is again a sulfate-free shampoo, and the best part about this is the smell of it. Let me just show you. So it just smells so good. It smells exactly like lavender, and the best part about the shampoo is that it's a non-drying shampoo. Whenever you shampoo your hair with this, your hair won't feel dry at all. Even if you have a dry scalp, or even if you have dry ends, your hair won't feel dry, because this nourishes and moisturizes your hair while cleaning it. It's got argan oil in there, which does all of this, and it's a very good shampoo, especially for the monsoon time when your hair starts becoming a little dry sometimes, when the weather is constantly changing and your hair just does not know, if it's summer or if it's winter. It's the best time to use this shampoo. It's free from SLS, it's free from parabens, it's free from dyes, and it's a plant-based cleanser, which is the best thing ever. And Love Beauty and Planet products are very clean products. They're all vegan products, so I think that's another good point that you can consider. Also, whenever I use a shampoo, it literally makes me feel like I'm in a spa. It gives me that luxury experience because of the fragrance of this. It smells so divine, so soothing, and I just absolutely love the fragrance of lavender. I think it's the most calming fragrance ever. So that's one of the best things about this shampoo, and if you're a fan of lavender, you will definitely love this one. Alright, the next shampoo that I have is for people who want silky, smooth, straight hair. If silky hair are your goals, then you have to get this shampoo. This is TRESemme Silk Press, a professional smoothing sulfate-free shampoo. Firstly, look at the size of this bottle. It's a 375 ml bottle, which is literally going to last you for at least like 4 months. If you just use this alone, it will last you for like that long. So this shampoo literally makes your hair so much silkier, so much straighter, so much smoother. And I first started using the hair mask from this range, and oh my god, my hair would just look so much more straight than before. And that is when I fell absolutely in love with the entire range and decided to try out more products. And after trying out the shampoo, I am so amazed. Like, This literally takes care of all of the waviness and makes my hair look much straighter, much silkier than before. So that is something that I really love about this shampoo. It saves me all of my salon visits. Like whenever I want my hair to look more manageable and more salon-like styled, this is the shampoo that I go for, and it never fails to impress me. It's infused with 20 amino peptides and it's a sulfate-free shampoo, and it smells also really nice. I really love the fragrance of the shampoo also. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like a hair perfume. So it does 3 jobs for you in total. It helps to clean your hair really well. It helps to make your hair much more disciplined, much more silky, much more straight, and like salon like styled. And it adds this beautiful hair perfume to your hair that just smells so good. So if you're looking for a shampoo that's going to give you a much straighter look, then you should definitely try this out. And if you're going to use this shampoo, make sure you use it with the hair mask that comes in this range. Alright, the next shampoo that I have is by Bare Anatomy. This is the Ultra Smoothing Shampoo. Now again, I recommend this shampoo for the monsoon and for the winters because this is a very hydrating shampoo. Whenever you shampoo with this literally like hydrates your hair while cleaning it in the process, and you will not feel any amount of dryness on your scalp or on the length of your hair after using it. Like अगर summers में अगर आपने ये use कर लिया, I don't think you will even require a conditioner. It's that good. But monsoon and winters में you need to follow it up with the conditioner. But nevertheless, it will not dry out your hair is my point. This shampoo literally claims to make your hair much more smoother. It helps to improve the hair smoothness by 37%. So it's definitely going to make your hair much smoother. It's going to reduce all of the frizziness that's caused because of the humid climate, because of the moisture in the air. It's definitely going to help to do that. And like especially if you have frizzy hair and because of the change in weather your hair is becoming very dry and very all over the place, then this shampoo is really going to come to your rescue. It's a sulfate free shampoo and it just works in making your hair much more frizz free, much more manageable, and much more smoother. So this is good for that. It smells also nice. It's got this very mild fragrance that won't really linger on your hair for a very long time, but when you shampoo it, it's gonna make you smell really nice. So it's a very good shampoo, especially if you have a lot of frizzy hair, if you have a lot of frizzy problems, if you have a lot of frizziness problems, then this is really gonna come to your rescue. Alright, the last shampoo that I have for today's video is this Moxie Hyaluronic Acid Repairing Shampoo. Now this shampoo does not have any sulfates, any parabens or any silicone. It's a clean shampoo and it's got hyaluronic acid in there, which really helps to hydrate your hair. So this is one of the reasons why I really love this shampoo. Firstly, it's sulfate free, so it's not going to foam up so much. It foams up just little, just enough to clean your hair. Secondly, so therefore your hair won't become dry. Secondly, it's got hyaluronic acid in there, which helps to hydrate your hair. So while you clean your hair, this is also going to add some hydration to your hair, which is one of the reasons why I love this shampoo, especially for the monsoon time when my hair is all over the place and I just don't know, but my hair just does not know whether it's the summer or winter. It's just stuck in between because of the change in a constant change in weather. So that is when the shampoo really comes to my rescue. Again, I really love the fragrance of this. It smells somewhat like bubble gum, not so much but somewhat like bubble gum. Like whenever I use the shampoo, I just get that boomer wala feeling with this. It smells really nice and it just makes my overall shower experience so soothing and so relaxing, and it makes my hair smell so nice. Like if somebody like hugs you and smells your hair, they won't be able to get enough of it. It smells that good. And overall, I really love this shampoo. It cleans my hair so well, doesn't dry it out, hydrates it in the process, and also helps in repairing my frizziness and all of the dryness and damage that's there on my hair. So it helps to do that as well. So overall, I really love how amazing the shampoo is. I love the fragrance of it, and it just does the job for me basically. So yeah, I really love Moxie products. So yeah, I highly recommend you try this out. Moxie is doing really good with their hair care products. I think they have some of the best hair care products out there. I also tried their hair serum and oh my god, it is so good. So that's the reason why I also tried their hair serum and oh my god, it is so good. It's so hydrating and so lightweight. That's one of the reasons why I ended up trying out more of their products. And I absolutely love all of the Moxie hair care products that I've tried so far, and I do recommend them to you all. So yeah, with that I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Those were all of the sulfate-free shampoos that I have tried in. So yeah, with that I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Those were all of the sulfate-free shampoos in India that I have tried under rupees 1000 that work really well for my hair, and I do recommend all of these shampoos to you guys as well. In case if you want to purchase any of them, all the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below. You can get these products from Amazon at a really good discount. So in case if you end up trying out any of these shampoos, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you, or if you are currently using a sulfate free shampoo that works really well for you, then comment down that as well. I would love to try out more such shampoos. Also do comment down what other videos would you like. Also, if you have any video topics for me, do comment down that as well. I would love to create more such beauty videos for you all. If you're new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you in my next video. Bye.